The market wisdom, the first impression says Nifty and its stocks are likely to struggle as they ever have been fragile in 2026. The key overhang, blame it on the FII selling as this January 2026, the FIIs have already net sold to the tune of 26,052.10 crores rupees. Our call of the day, there is a bright chance that the wavering tone set in first fortnight in January could echo all through the year 2026. Anyway, for the day, focus will be on three frontline stocks which reported their Q3 earnings post-market hours on Friday. HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, Reliance Industries. 1. HDFC Bank reported better than expected net profit, though net interest income, NII, missed street estimates. NII rose 6.4% YoY to 32,615 crore rupees. Net profit increased 11.5% YoY. Management reiterated plans to accelerate loan growth, stating that its elevated credit deposit ratio does not constrain expansion. Notably, HDFC Bank underperformed the Nifty Bank in 2025, delivering 14% returns versus 18% for the Bank Nifty index. 2. ICICI Bank's Q3 performance fell short of consensus expectations, with net profit declining 4% YoY to 11,318 crore rupees due to higher provisions. Asset quality, however, remained stable, offering some comfort. 3. Reliance Industries posted a 10% YoY rise in consolidated revenue to 2.94 lakh rupees crore in Q3 FY26, led by strength in digital services, O2C and retail. Revenue stood at 2.67 lakh rupees crore in the year-ago period. However, Reliance GDRs slipped 2% post-results, and street expectations point to a flatter gap-down opening for the stock today. Bottom line, volatility remains elevated and is set to dominate today's trading session. Market trends. The global cues are negative. In Friday's trade, FIIs turned out to be net sellers to the tune of rupees 4346 crores while DII were net buyers to the tune of rupees 3935 crores. Sentiments are likely to be neutral for Nifty. Market breadth for the day is likely to be neutral. Nifty's technicals suggest massive consolidation. FANO January month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 25,000 and 26,100 zone. India VIX, the fear index is hovering at 11.37 levels. At last check, USD INR, January, was trading near the 90.83 levels. Nifty PCR, 27th January, is at 0.77 levels. Bank Nifty PCR, 27th January, is at 1.06. Nifty outlook. Bullish traders are likely to trade with caution on any excessive intraday strength as FIIs continue to be on the sell side. What technicals tells on Nifty and Bank Nifty? Nifty, CMP to 5694. Biggest intraday support for Nifty is now placed at 25,571 on closing basis. Immediate resistance is placed at 25,941 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 25550 and 25850. Bias for the day is neutral. Sensex, CMP 83570. Biggest intraday support for Sensex is now placed only at 82,861 mark on closing basis. Immediate resistance is placed only at 84,300 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 82,900 and 83900. Bias for the day is neutral. Bank Nifty, CMP 60095. Bank Nifty's biggest intraday support at 59,405 mark. Bank Nifty's biggest resistance is now at 60,437 mark. Bank Nifty's range of day is likely to be between 59,600 and 60600. Bias for the day is neutral. Stock market news. Volatility is set to remain the hallmark of today's trading at Dalal Street. Key trigger, all eyes will be on the US Supreme Court, which had deferred its ruling on challenges to President Donald Trump's global tariff policy to Wednesday, 21st January 2026. Amidst this backdrop, the possibility of both a melt-up or a meltdown is quite high. Expect the tug-of-war to continue, with Nifty bulls making a sizable comeback only on any close above Nifty to 5941 mark. Stocks in spotlight. Optimism at Dalal Street is now driven by better Q3 results from IT and mid-segment banking stocks. Last week, gains in select IT were seen with Infosys emerging as the top gainer, climbing 5.7%, after the IT major posted stronger than expected Q3 results and raised its revenue growth projections. Tech Mahindra surged 5.2% as it announced robust Q3 FY26 results, with HCL Tech plus 1.6% and TCS plus 0.5% also advancing. Here are Q3 FY26 corporate earnings to trickle in today and tomorrow. Monday, 19th January, Seat, Oberoi Realty, Havells, Bhel, PNB, IRFC, Ultimine Tree, Hindustan Zinc. Tuesday, 20th January, India Mart Intermesh, ITC Hotels, Our Small Finance Bank, Prime Focus, SRF, Persistent Systems, United Spirits.